the grand opening of New Kusina Restaurant. Palakpakan natin. So in just a few moments, we will mark the official opening with a ribbon cutting ceremony. This ceremony symbolizes the beginning of our journey, okay, to bring authentic Filipino flavors to this very beautiful country of Qatar. So at this point, may I request our distinguished guests to please proceed outside, and we will start our ribbon cutting ceremony. You may exit from this door, and then you may enter the other one. The ribbon cutting ceremony to officially begin the opening of New Kusina Restaurant. May we request Ms. Carolyn and Mr. Robert to spearhead the ribbon cutting ceremony. In 3, 2, 1. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. New Kusina Restaurant is officially open. Palakpakan po dyan! Once again,
look into your eyes, so far away. It's on your mind.
okay, so let's have our first participant. Hello, ma'am. How are you today? Thank you so much. Please stand up to be recognized. Now, ma'am, before I ask you the question, no choice ito. Okay. Who was the first supplier of Kusina Cafeteria known for their best palabok, bilo-bilo, and chicken barbecue? Okay. A. Bill and Brian Zapata, or B. Nel and Melvin Martinez. Is it A or letter B? Have a wild guess na. Letter B. I'm very sorry, but your answer is wrong. Okay. Sorry ma'am, wala po kayong chance na panalo. How about you, ma'am? How are you? How are you tonight? Are you okay? Oh, come on, please stand up. It's okay, it's okay. Any message for you, Kusina Restaurant?
Good luck and congratulations to your opening. More customers to come.
Definitely. Who was the first head chef of Kusina Restaurant? A. Chef Atum. B. Chef Collins. Chef Collins? You got it right! Sige po, dito po tayo sa unahan, sir, dahil maglalaro pa po kami mamaya. Yan. Okay, dahil tumawag po kayo na malakas. Sige naman po. Okay na. Hello? So since namimiss na namin si Kuya Will, maglalaro tayo ng Pepepore! Wala pong palakpakan dyan. Pero this time, instead of Pepepore, you will say, Kusina! Practice. Kusina! Restaurant. Restaurant. Okay. Kusina! Clap. Restaurant, put your hands up. Okay? Mabilisan to ha. reals, pera, o balloon. Now, sir, let's pop the balloon. Okay. Ito muna. Alamin muna natin. Let's find out what's inside the white balloon. Okay? Sir, can you pop the balloon, please? Yan po. It's okay. Come on, sir. You can do it. 1, 2. Oh.
Ayaw.
Sige, sir. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, sir. Sige, ganun mo na lang.
Ito na nga mga ka-BFF, ang inaabangan ng Balmaceda family, especially ng Ate Ava nyo, ang food tasting. So yun no, lutong bahay, Filipino vibes, lahat ng kanilang food ay napaka appetizing. Ayan, especially ang aming favorite dyan is yung siopaw. Ang siopaw na yan is lasang ongpin. Ang gulay na pakbet, napakasarap. Isa-isahin natin lahat pero hindi kulang ang oras natin guys. So, ito lang masasabi ko, napakasarap ng siopaw, napakasarap ng food. Ayan. At ang babait na aking mga chef dyan. Shout out Chef Tolitz and the rest of the staff.
Please come again. Once again, a big hand to the owners of New Kusina Restaurant.
We're inviting you to a New Kusina Restaurant here in Old Airport ba to? Old Airport.
Yes.
Ayan,
Come and
sarap ng
visit.
food.
Masarap ang food,
Sarap ang food.
siopaw and spring roll.
Yes, pakbet and
pakbet.
everything.
Everything po.
Yeah,
the best.
the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mga bayan, naka-BFF. Thank you. Hi mga ka-BFF. Ayan, welcome to our vlog. Meron silang hosting. So, anong number?
Bali, may contact us at 6688-5097 for any hosting event. Yeah.
Kukunin ko yung number, lalagay natin dito.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello mga ka-BFF! So sa lahat ng mga nag-iisip dyan ng events, tawagan nyo lang kami. Your host Kata. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello mga ka-BFF
And welcome to New Kusina Restaurant! We are inviting you to come here in New Kusina Restaurant. Dito yan sa Nachma, along the Airport Highway. Okay?
And ang number is
331-03766. Ulitin ko po, 331-03766.
and please follow our social media accounts like our YouTube channel, IG, Facebook, Balmaceda Family,
And of course, huwag niyo rin kami lumumutan. Doc Rex sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa TikTok, at sa YouTube channel namin.
yes, and we are Team BFF Doha. Kaya ini-invite namin kayo dito sa New
Kusina Restaurant!
Arat
Arat na!
na!
any review, positive, it should be positive, right? Because this is the first thing. Okay.
Ayan nga mga ka-BFF, walang hanggang kainan na ating ginawa sa New Kusina Restaurant at shout out naman kay Chef Tolitz nang talaga namang binigyan pa tayo ng crispy pata. Ayan. And thank you sa mga owner. Hello and shout out to Sir and Miss Lynn. Ayan, isang Filipina owner with partner niya sa kanyang business, sa kanilang business. Ayan, ito yung grand opening na saksihan natin kanina at muli nating silang i-congratulate, more blessings and more power, ayan, sa kanilang New Kusina Restaurant business located at Najma along Old Airport. So mga ka-BFF, we are inviting you to please visit the place and try their food. Ayan, Filipino Vibes Restaurant. Once again, let's support Filipino businesses. Kaya naman, nagpapasalamat ang Balmaceda family and Team BFF na na-invite tayo dito sa kanilang grand opening. So, thank you very much and thank you for watching.